If you're experiencing a transfer pending status on your Payoneer account, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check transfer status. Log into your Payoneer account and navigate to the Activity section. Review the details of the pending transfer to ensure there are no alerts or messages indicating a problem. Step 2. Verify account information. Ensure that your account information is accurate and up to date. Check your bank account details, personal information, and any required documentation that may need to be verified. Step 3. Contact Payoneer support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Wait for processing. Sometimes transfers may take longer due to processing times. Allow a reasonable amount of time for the transfer to complete, as it can vary based on the payment method and bank involved. Step 5. Follow up. If the transfer is still pending after a few days, follow up with Payoneer support. Provide them with any reference numbers or details to help expedite the resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to address the pending transfer issue effectively. If problems persist, continue to communicate with Payoneer for further assistance.